Hey everyone, Mel from the 441, and this lighting is actually terrible. Is that better? That is better. I'm actually using a different phone today because my kid is on my phone. So I have a couple of videos to upload that I haven't uploaded yet. And also I didn't do anything for decluttering yesterday. So today I'm kind of going to do a quick declutter slash repair job. I have some bracelets, both mine and Tom's, because we both wear them, although I'm not wearing any today, that have broken. And look, I believe that when these bracelets break, it's time to give these crystals a break. They've done what they needed to do for your body. However, it's also a good time that if you have all the beads to repair the bracelet, you can give it a quick smudge and have it ready to go for next time you feel drawn to work with that crystal. So all I have here is some stretch jelly elastic. I got this in Spotlight, and we're literally just going to thread it, and afterwards we can sage it. What I like to do is just leave it on and cut it afterwards, so it literally takes 2 seconds. I don't double thread or anything because I'm so quick at fixing these anyway. But when I went to get this stuff, the girl in Spotlight said there was better elastic, but it was out of stock. And I took this anyway, thinking, oh yeah, I'll get it for now and then I'll get something else. But I have some of these have lasted more than 6 months. So this was a 3-pack. So it could be about 2 years before I actually go out and buy the other thread, because use up what you have. In the past, I used to just take these and use them for grids or use them in intentional spray bottles, but I kind of feel bad because they can very easily be recycled into, or reused or repaired, or whatever you want to call it, into new bracelets again. So, and I kind of feel good that I'm doing this today. I'm going to do a couple of videos today because I have to upload I think it's 2 videos which I'll get off. Henry's on my phone at the moment. I'm just giving him a bit of phone time so I can get some stuff done, but I'll just do a mass upload of the 3 or 4 videos. But it's good that I feel good that I'm trying to also give you guys something more than a declutter video, because the thing is clutter is not just stuff around the house that we're not using. Clutter is a build-up of unfinished products, food that, you know, we have all these ingredients in our pantry and we don't know how to use them. So one of the days, one of my videos will be trying to find 5 or 6 items in my pantry that have been sitting there for a while and just use them up. So this one's nearly done. I'm just gonna check and make sure it's the right length, and we are at just under 4 minutes, and that doesn't include my little intro. So quickly, yeah, that looks like it might be missing one, maybe not. I'll just have a quick look over here. I don't see any more of that one. I've got some binders on here that's also needs to be done. I have a few bracelets that I need to finish off. Just double check in here. Another thing I did this week, and shout out to Steph for helping me. I think that's it. Is I got the photos done, some of the photos done for the website. They are more nature based, so we actually need to do some more which is me kind of doing the more feng shui stuff. But it was nice to just have some semi-decent photos of me for the consultation and the website. So huge shout out to Steph. So yeah, and actually I have to repair her bracelet because her bracelet is broken, and she's asked me, or I offered, I said I can fix that in 2 seconds for you. More like 5 minutes, but still. So take it down as close as you can, and then I just do a couple of double knots. So we have time. I'll get another one finished. I've got about 4 behind me to do, but there's a tiger eye that I think belongs to Tom. And you know, like, I'm always buying these crystal bracelets, so if I can repair one, it helps. And this is carnelian, so it's a good root chakra bracelet. Let's see if I have scissors in here. It's great for any security issues, protection, fears. It's also got some orange in it, so it's also kind of going into the sacral chakra. So passion, what you're passionate about, sex, fertility, all that sort of stuff. And I don't have sage in here with me right now, so I'm going to use a spray. This one is the Amanda Ellis Magenta Bridge, and it's to help you let go of the past and move into the future. So for this crystal, I think it would be a good one. So I'm just going to spray it with that, and I'm just going to put the intention of cleansing in it for a minute. So all I've done there is I've just asked for it to be cleansed and reset, so that the next time either myself or Tom would like to work with one like this, it's there and it's ready to go, and he can put it whatever intention he wants. I actually don't know if he does that. I've told him to, but I don't know if he does. So we still have a few minutes, and I have another one here. So I'll get that one done as well. This is the tiger eye. Again, pretty much same job. I tend to go with crystals very much for their colors, like without learning every single thing about every single crystal. I just kind of go, oh yeah, it's that color, it means this, roughly. But tiger's eye does have a little bit of yellow in it, so I'm going to say it's good for your power centers as well. But it's one I work with a bit, but was never, like, I've always kind of been more drawn to the black and the red crystals, so I know it and I know what it helps with. Again, it is protection and strength and all that kind of stuff, and probably courage. But it's not one I was ever like fully drawn to. For some reason, the brown crystals are probably my least drawn. We've got 8 minutes left, so let's see if I can do this in 2 minutes. How has everyone's Easter been? People get up to much. The Easter Bunny did an epic 16-part treasure hunt for our kids this morning, which was pretty cool. Our kids got us up at 5:30. So we said we'd go to the beach for a few hours, and we took the dog. He's still he's only 18 months old, and unfortunately life's been so busy that we haven't had a chance to train him. So we took him, but we let him off. He actually, when we got there, he took off. I think I've got a kid coming. And he burnt my fingers. So that's why I've got a band-aid on, because that one went into the skin. I think it's hit a nerve. These are a bit burnt across here from the rope. And I lost the car keys and everything. But luckily I had the air tag, and that made life easier, but my fingers were so sore. But my point was, so we went to the beach and we must have been there for a nice bit. We got back into the car afterwards going, oh yeah, we go home now, do a bit, get ready. We've got some machines this afternoon, but Tom is doing that, which is giving me time to film, which is nice. And we got in the car and it was only 10:15 in the day, like we thought it was 12 o'clock. So we went, I called into Spudget on the way home because I needed some stuff for like a breakfast brunch, and I ended up getting 2 roasts, and I had a pork here at the house. So I've done roast beef, roast pork and roast chicken. So that is awesome. That's a lot of meals cooked for the week because I haven't bought ham in a couple of months. I'm trying to step away from like the processed packaged meats and kind of going more with having meat ready at home that we roast or slow cooked. And as well as that, God, that one looks very big. Is that? It's probably Tom's. Yeah. See how that one has like an extra couple of beads? I'm trying to get it tight. Yeah, so that one's a bit big on me. So I just do like a normal knot. But yeah, so I find a big help if I can do some batch cooking at the start of the week. I'm much more likely not to reach for the bread and reach for meat and salad or whatever. So that is a definite good start to the week, because I'm slowly trying to change stuff in our diets as well. I want to make bread. I was like wanting to make sourdough. I've made like 4 attempts trying to keep sourdough alive, and I have to start again. So there, that's a second knot, and I'll just do a third one because it'll be Tom's. And I failed at the sourdough, but I bought organic flour because I've heard about the folates and all that. So I want to just make normal bread. Like, I'll try the sourdough again, but like even organic homemade bread has got to be better than the shit we're buying in the shops. Just trying to convince the kids to eat it. So trim back the ends. Oh, and there you go. And I'll spray that one again. And cleanse it. If you want, if you've got Reiki, you can Reiki it. I'm just saying the words in my head. And just ask it to cleanse. So that's 2. That took me just over 10 minutes, but that's with chatting to you guys. And I got to show you how to repair your crystal bracelets. So this stuff is quite cheap in Spotlight. It comes in a 3-pack, and yes, you can probably get a better one, but it's actually holding up well, and use it up until I get something else. My only gripe with it is, and I'll see if I can get a couple. Put that over there. These smaller chip style, sometimes it'll fit some of them, but it won't fit all of them. And I bet you these 2 now it'll fit. Yeah, so that one, which is Rhodonite, that's fine. This one is Apatite, I think, which is fine, but you will find that there are some of these chip types and it doesn't like the thread, so I'm gonna have to see if I can get a smaller thread. Another thing I've been wanting to make is the macrame, so actually kind of like what I'm wearing, but I'm struggling to find a thread that keeps the shape of the twist macrame. I picked up some like this one and stuff, but it looks way too thick when I tried to do it. Like, I tried to start that one, but I've put it away because I was thinking I could weave a few things into it, but it's having the time. But that's something I want to work on as well. So, moral of the story, craft projects, getting stuff finished is also a form of decluttering. So if you see me going today, I'm decluttering a project That is why. And I feel like I should put some more structure around these, maybe go room by room or whatever. Let me know what you guys think if you are following along. Let me know if you guys have gone out there and finished something that has been bugging you sitting there. Because it's all these little 1%ers that add up. It's like every time you walk into that room and you see that thing that you haven't done, it's it affects your brain, because your brain is processing it. Like, even if you don't realize you're processing it, your brain is processing it. So if it's the empty shampoo bottle in the shower that you've been meaning to get rid of, or if it's the bracelet in my case, or whatever, the glass by your bedside table, it's all these subconscious decisions that you are making. And I believe that it's all these little 1%ers that you can shift over time, and doing it daily will give you the biggest leaps in your life than doing some of the bigger stuff. Yes, you get big wins from them, but I think it's the small stuff that we do that long term gives us the big wins. So yeah, I'll stop waffling. Happy Easter Sunday, everyone. I might go and do another video now where I declutter my bathroom. My bathroom's not too bad because we don't have much storage in there, but it could definitely do with a bit of a reorganize, so I might go and do another video on that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!